How to create a WhatsApp account. In this video, I'll show you how to sign up your account on WhatsApp. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded WhatsApp on a device. After that, click on search bar and open WhatsApp app. After you open this app, you'll see this homepage. Simply click on this agree and continue option. Now you have to type in your mobile number here. Before that, click on this country option and choose your country. After that, type in your phone number on the second field. Now click on this next option. Now if you have already created your account before, it will show this restore option. Simply click on this restore to restore your chat from iCloud. Now after its restoration is completed, simply click on this next option. Now type in your name and you can choose your profile picture from the option here. Simply click on this edit option and upload your picture. Then click on this done option. And that's it. This is how you create a WhatsApp account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.